These are 12 ways to identify someone that loves you from someone that is lusting after you. 12 ways to identify someone that loves you from someone that is lusting after you. If you are still single, about to go into new relationship, please watch this. If you are married already and you are having issue, please watch this to know if you married out of lust or out of love. Number one is someone that loves you must be proud of you. Someone that loves you must be proud of you everywhere he or she goes. But someone that is lusting after you will be proud of his or herself. They carry their self as God. They carry their self. They want to be seen. They don't want you to be seen. Okay? Number two is someone that loves you must be original. He's not living a fake life. She's not living a fake life. Everything about her is open to you. But someone that is lusting after you will be showing you only the side they want to show you. Only fake life. They'll be showing you their fake life. They'll be showing you their wealth. They'll be showing you their beauty. They'll be showing you so many things, to entice you. They must be showing you things to entice you. But someone that love you, don't show you things to entice you. They show you the way they are. And number three is someone that love you is selfless. Is selfless. Always thinking about you. Always thinking about you. But someone that is lusting after you always think about himself. They are selfish. They cannot give. They cannot sacrifice. But someone that loves you can sacrifice his time, sacrifice his money, sacrifice everything just to show you that truly he or she loves you without looking for anything in return. Okay? Another one is someone that loves you must support you. Support you both spiritually and physically. They will support your dream. They will support everything you are doing. But someone that is lusting after you, they can never support. They can never support. What they do is they only promise you. They only promise you. They want you to assume what they are going to do for you. They want you to assume the support they are going to give to you. But they cannot do anything. But someone that loves you will support you, will help you, will do everything in order to assist you. Okay? Another one is someone that loves you have unconditional love. Unconditional love. As a young guy, you might be facing some challenges of life. If you find that lady that doesn't care about your challenges, doesn't care the money you have on your account, okay, that doesn't care, that doesn't even care where you live, that doesn't care, this lady loves you. But someone that does not love you will always care about what you have. What you have. Because what they are looking for is what they are going to profit from you. Their profit, what they are looking for is what they are going to gain from you. So if you have nothing to offer them, they will not accept you. But someone that loves you accepts you for whom you are. Unconditional love. That is why sometimes it's very hard for you to see someone that loves you. But if you see them, if you see someone that loves you unconditionally, that person is whom you need. Okay? Another one is someone that loves you must be open to you. They must be open. They must communicate with you. That's why communication is very, very good. They will tell you about their family. They will tell you about things that is happening around them. Be it good news or bad news, they always want to share, everything with you. But someone that is lusting after you, they don't want to communicate with you they give you time for communication. They always give you time for communication, okay? Only when they have chance, or only when they need you. They are lusting after you, maybe for one thing or the other, okay? They hide so many things from you. They hide so many things from you. Somebody that loves you will be open to you. Why someone that is lusting after you will hide so many things from you, okay? Another one is give. Someone that loves you will give you. They will give you. But someone that is lusting after you is after what he or she will gain, what they will receive from you. They are receivers. They are receivers. But you that love them, you are the giver. So if someone loves you, no matter how little they have, they will always want to give. Even when you are the one, you want to give them always, but one day they will always want to give you. Even in their own little way, they will always want to give you. Okay? Another one is somebody that loves you will consider your own, will consider you. They will consider your opinion. They will understand you. Or someone that doesn't love you, they will argue with you. They will not understand you. They will not consider your own. What they are looking for is their own. They want to win in every case. They want to win in every argument. They can never succumb because of what? Their motive, their intention. They can never succumb. They can never accept your opinion, because if they accept your opinion, it will affect their plans. So someone that is lusting after you has plan. That's why they can never accept your own. Their plan is just for a meantime. While someone that loves you, his plan for you is for everlasting. Okay. Another one is you always gain from someone that you love. Someone that loves you. Okay, you always gain from someone that loves you. If someone loves you, you gain from them. Okay, but when you meet someone that is lusting after you, all you do is you lose. So many ladies have lost their virginity for someone that is lusting after them. They have lost their virginity, they have lost their money, they have lost so many things because the person is lusting after you just because of what you have. Some of them are lusting after you just because of your body. Some of them are lusting after you just because of the money. Some of them are lusting after you just because of your beauty. Some of them are lusting after you just because of your family background. Maybe you are coming from a rich family. But people that love you, they don't consider all these things. They love you for whom you are. Okay? They are the one that give you. They are the one that always want to sacrifice for you. All right. Another one is this one. Another one is someone that loves you, plans to live with you for everlasting, plans to stay with you for everlasting, forever. But someone that is lusting after you, their motive and their plan is to spend just some time with you. Maybe someone that loves you, that is lusting after you, married you. Okay, when they'll marry you, let me tell you, just a little while, their love for you will fade. If you're a woman, you have a beautiful body before, and after giving to birth, your body change. They will start to complain. They will start to look for other ladies, because what they married you for is just because of that body. They don't marry you for whom you are. They marry you for what you have. They marry you for what you have. They don't marry you for whom you are. So if you see somebody that loves you, no matter how your body changes, instead they will advise you, they will like to work it out with you so that you can come back to shape. Okay, but someone that do not love you, that is lusting after you, once you lose your shape, they will vanish. Okay, they will start looking for other ladies. Okay, another one is someone that loves you is always patient with you. Someone that loves you is always patient with you. That's why so many ladies, if you meet a guy that loves you, when you tell that guy, please, I don't want to engage in sex right now. Okay, let's do it after marriage. These people consider you. Someone that loves you will consider you, because he's not selfish. Someone consider your opinion, consider what you are, the place where you are going. But someone that is lusting after you is impatient. They want to climb you immediately. They don't want even to hear that wait tomorrow. If you are still waiting, because they know that there is no tomorrow between you and him, then this lady know that there is no tomorrow between you and her. They want to eat you up immediately. If you are telling her, baby, please wait, now this money will come, they will not wait, because they know that there is no tomorrow. They don't waste. They are not willing to waste time with you. So these people always rush you. People that is lusting after you always rush you. Why? People that love you always have patience with you. Okay. The last but not the least is someone that love you from his or her soul. But somebody that is lusting after you love you from his or her flesh. They love you from his or her flesh. Okay. They love you because of maybe your body. They love just the flesh. And when they are not seeing what they want, they will vanish. So someone that loves you is your soulmate. That is why they say they love you from their soul, from their heart. They love you from their soul. They are your soulmate. But someone that do not love you, that is lusting after you, they love you just for flesh. Okay, so this is how to identify someone that loves you from someone that is lusting after you. Okay, I still remain your sister, the real Esther Gineka, always teaching out of experience. God bless you. Bye.